CECL data is, could potentially be all the data that an institution has. The right way to do CECL is to bring all that together and use it as an opportunity to do so, where a lot of organizations in the past haven't really done that kind of data gathering and organization. So it's potentially everything that you've got, and some more important than others, of course. We get asked all the time, how much data do I need? And it's painful when we have to say, well, you need to know how things change through time, through an economic cycle, so as much as you can get is honestly the answer. And go back and we always hear, oh, but my portfolio's changed, my lending practices are different, the old data doesn't represent my portfolio. But it does still represent consumers, so we want as much of that history as we can get, even if it's not good data by today's standards. For an aggregate model, I love vintage models. They're definitely the most bang for the buck in terms of giving you an insight into trends that are happening in the portfolio, giving you the most accurate portfolio forecast you can. I think if you want to go simple with CECL, that's the right level of simple. But although they can give you a good forecast, they can't tell you who, or they can't really tell you why. And so that's where you need that second model, which is to take those same concepts from the vintage model, but to the loan level, where you bring in a lot of the consumer attributes, so you can really say, okay, losses are rising, and I see my recent vintages were risky, but what specifically about those vintages was causing the problem? And that's where the loan level data gets you there. Well, when we started our company, we knew that our expertise is analytics. And I did not want to have to learn how to draw data from every core system and every different format out there. So we always wanted to find a data partner, a data specialist who could create that integration between whatever systems the lender has and the kind of cleaned and prepared data we need for the modeling. So you know, we specify our format and they make the interchange, and things work pretty well. It's hard to get analytically focused conferences, and not everything here is analytics, but better than most. And you know, it's obviously my bias is I'm interested in models and analytics. So I want to hear about those things, and of course with credit unions, analytics are a new thing. So, you know, this is not an academic conference. It's an analytics applications conference, which there is a lot of room for innovation around. So I think that's a valuable thing to be doing.